the Wild Wolf and the Pet Dog.
Long ago, in a magical land where animals talk like people, a wolf went for a stroll. He was thin and dirty. Down the road he met a sleek, healthy down dog.
Hello, friend. What a fine coat of hair you have. You are indeed the most handsome dog I have ever seen.
I guard my master's house. In return, my master gives me good food. His servant brushes my coat. Why don't you come with me? I'm sure my master will look after you two.
But what do you have to do to earn all these comforts?
Hardly a thing. I chase away people when the master's family is out of town and scare beggars away sometimes. They walked over a small hill and came to a big house. It had huge gates. The wolf's mouth watered at the thought of the food that he would soon eat. As they were about to enter, he saw something shining on the dog's neck. It was a shiny ring.
What is this?
This is my collar. It tells people that I belong to my master. All the pet dogs wear collars.
If I come with you, will I too belong to your master?
Of course.
Then I must say goodbye to you, friend, for I am a wild animal. I would rather be thin and hungry, but free. I don't want a master. Go in and enjoy your dinner.
The wolf turned and trotted back over the green hill, whistling away. He loved his freedom.